Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at soil pollution. Sorry we lost in the World Cup, Nigeria versus Argentina, but we have to do this. We have to continue learning. Soil pollution. Soil pollution is simply the contamination of soil, and it is actually a part of land degradation that is caused by man-made chemicals or other alterations in the natural soil environment. So whenever the natural soil structure, soil texture is altered, whenever it is changed because of man-made chemicals, we have what we call soil pollution. So soil pollution is actually caused by man, our activities on earth through industrial developments and other activities will cause what we call soil pollution. So we say that soil pollution or soil contamination is part of land degradation caused by the presence of xenobiotic. Whenever you hear this word xenobiotic, it simply means human-made, man-made chemicals or other alterations in the natural soil environment. It is caused by industrial activities, agricultural chemicals, and improper disposal of waste. When we don't dispose our waste very well, we can get our soil contaminated. Now, whenever the soil is contaminated, there is something that you can do to remedy the soil, and it is known as soil remediation. Another word for soil remediation is soil washing, and it is the various processes designed to remove contaminants such as hydrocarbons, heavy metals, pesticides, cyanides, volatiles, creosotes, semi-volatiles from the soil. So whenever you're removing all these pollutants from the soil, we call it soil remediation. And the pollutants that you can remove from the soil includes hydrocarbons, heavy metals, pesticides, cyanides, volatile compounds, creosotes, semi-volatiles from the soil. Now, what are those techniques that you can use in achieving this soil remediation? One of them is what we call complete source removal, or you call it excavation. Complete source removal or excavation is one of the processes or one of the techniques, and it actually involves digging a pit and excavating the soil and taking it to a secure place known as landfill. Very fine place so that you don't get other soil contaminated. Another method is by what we call bioremediation, which is actually the system that is the best and people are beginning to use it. And it simply involves using biological catalysts to act on pollutants to make them powerless. Those pollutants cannot have powers again. Then we also have what we call thermal soil remediation, which involves heating contaminated soils to a temperature of up to 650 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Then the second to the last is what we call air sparging, which involves pushing in large volume of air into and injecting it into the soil to remove organic compounds. And lastly, we have what we call encapsulation, which simply means mixing things like lime, cement, concrete in order to prevent the contaminated soil from spreading. If you don't want the contaminated soil to spread, you have to weight it with lime, cement, and concrete. So those are the ways that we can do what we call soil remediation. Techniques for soil remediation, 5 of them: complete source removal 1, bioremediation 2, thermal soil remediation 3, air sparging 4, and encapsulation. So very importantly, soil pollution is simply the word. It can also be called soil contamination. It's a part of land degradation caused by the presence of xenophobic human-made chemicals or other alterations in the natural soil environment. It is caused by industrial activities, agricultural chemicals, and improper disposal of waste. Soil remediation, also called soil washing, is the various processes designed to remove contaminants such as hydrocarbons, heavy metals, pesticides, cyanides, volatile compounds, creosotes, semi-volatiles from the soil. And the techniques used are complete source removal, also known as excavation, bioremediation, using biological catalysts to add some pollutants, thermal soil remediation, heating contaminated soil to 650 to 900 Fahrenheit, thermal soil remediation, air sparging, injecting large volume of air to remove organic compounds, and encapsulation, which is simply mixing the soil, the contaminated soil, with lime, cement, and concrete to prevent the contaminants from spreading to other soil that are not contaminated. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button, like and share our video, support us in any way that you can. Thank you, and God bless you.